Alright, we're officially checked into Cayuga Lake State Park. Now it's time to have fun for the birthday weekend. Cayuga Lake State Park Campground is a beautiful open campground with a bunch of spots and numerous bathrooms. Hey, there's my brother. Setting up camp is always fun. Opening up the pop-up pod, setting up the awning, putting in the sunshades, getting the table all ready, then starting the fire for the night. After setting up day after day, there tends to be a routine. But one thing that's never the same are the beautiful views from my front porch. Whether I'm at a different campground, a different parking lot, or just a different campsite. Still, every time I wake up, I turn the vehicle a little bit and I wake up to a new view. I cannot complain about that. Good morning. I just wanted to show you our humble abode over at Cayuga Lake State Park. We're right at the northern tip of Cayuga Lake on the Finger Lakes in New York. Today, we are heading into the city of Seneca Falls. Right now, we're in downtown Seneca Falls, which is the women's rights birthplace. We're just walking to grab some food at the local diner, checking out what downtown Seneca Falls has to offer. Other than Seneca Falls being the birthplace of the women's rights, they also are known for the It's a Wonderful Life, and each year they do an It's a Wonderful Run 5K. Awesome little town. Seneca Falls has that small hometown feel, full of small local businesses and a nice river that we can walk along and check out the beautiful views. Alright, so we've had a blast here at Cayuga Lake State Park. Today we've just kind of been relaxing, sitting at the campsite all day, enjoying our day, knowing that rain was coming tonight. So right now, because rain's going to be here, it's going all night. It's showing on the radar that it'll be here right around 11, 12 o'clock, and it'll be going until relatively late morning, till 10 or 11, till we would be packing and leaving. So we're just going to bounce out of here a little early. Been a blast though.